The overall goal of this procedure is to record eye movements during reading. This is accomplished by first positioning eye tracking equipment so that the eye is clearly visible when the subject looks at the display monitor. The second step is to calibrate the software to accurately record movements of the eye. The third step is to display the passages to be read. The final step is to evaluate the duration and pattern of fixations on words in the passages. Ultimately, the eye movement data can be used to determine the difficulty of processing individual words and phrases and make inferences about the cognitive processes involved in reading.
The main advantage of the eye tracking method over other methods, such as presenting sentences one at a time and measuring reading time for each sentence, is that eye tracking provides a natural measure of reading behavior that shows the moment-by-moment changes in processing difficulty as a reader moves through a text.
This method can help answer key questions in the text comprehension field, such as understanding how figurative phrases are read and understood.
This method can provide insight into the cognitive processes involved in reading. It can also be applied to research using images, such as what draws a person's attention in an advertisement.
To begin, position the eye-link system, which consists of both an infrared light source and a video camera, beneath the monitor that will be used to display the stimuli. Then, instruct the subject to adjust the seat height.